Hey guys, welcome to our channel What Women Want W3. It's your one stop destination. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. You would get the best solution for your biggest problem in kitchen, which is the stove cleaning. Yes guys, it always becomes black because of the tea which falls off or some gravy which pours out. So let's get started. We need some baking soda, vinegar, a brush, a cup, a scrubber, and your dishwashing liquid. Do add in 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Add in some vinegar, say approximately 2 cups of the same lid, and then you can add in some dishwashing liquid to it. Depending upon the black parts in your stove, you can add these. You can make initially lesser one and see whether it's working or not, but I surely guarantee it works. I have made a little bit bigger video because I haven't edited much and shown you the whole process, guys. You can see how black it has become. Purposely I did that to make this video because now during lockdown many of our stoves get very dirty because we are literally in the kitchen cooking all day. So you just pour in this solution. I made it little liquidy because last time when I made it very thick, it was very difficult to remove. So I made it little liquidy, and what I did was I used a baby brush to clean it. It's more easier this way. You can repeat the same for the other 3 stoves or 2 burners if you have. Also, I'm adding Colgate paste after I tried with that. So these are the 2 methods. Both the methods are very effective. If you don't have baking soda at home, you can just use one ingredient, which is your toothpaste. And once you're done with this, you can also use the baking soda solution. And once it's sufficiently marinated, say about 2 to 3 hours, sometimes I even leave it overnight, and in the morning I come and scrub it off. It just goes off like icing on the cake. It goes so easily, so effortlessly. Depending upon the time you have, you can do this process, but at least let it be for 2 to 3 hours. You need to wipe it twice or thrice. I had repeated the process twice, and I have kept most of it in the video of whatever I had done. I have not edited much so that you can see how effectively this works. For the finishing touch, I am using a toothpaste and scrubbing it well with a baby brush. You can just go into the small nooks and corners using a baby brush. I had repeated the same for all the burners, and you can see how well it has cleaned.